strive to be the top leader among machine industries. And aspire to create the famous world brand. Guangzhou KDT Machinery Company Limited is an enterprise public listed in Shenzhen Main Stock Exchange. Keep the pace with the new era. KDT has been growing into a leading manufacturer for furniture machinery and a comprehensive company group integrated with R&D, manufacture, sales, and service. Headquartered in Guangzhou High-Tech Economic Zone, KDT also sets up its R&D center and production base in Rimini, Italy, with products category covering Smart Edge Bander, NC Panel Saw, NC Drilling Machine, CNC Machine, 5-axis Machining Center, door machines and automatic production line, etc. KDT broadened its sales network in more than 50 countries among the world. In its sales revenue, KDT ranks number 1 in the domestic industry while listing top 5 among the world. Upholding the concept of driven and developed by technology and innovation, KDT, as the main drafter, formulates and revises a national standard and some industry standards. Moreover, it has been affirmed as the national high-tech enterprise for many conterminous years and has been authorized with more than 100 patents and 50 software copyrights. Meanwhile, its core technological achievements have won the Guangdong Science and Technology Awards, and its main products have been identified as the high-tech ones. KDT attaches great importance on engineering talents. President Mr. Mao Hong Li, as a leading talent in the national science field, heads a number of provincial and municipal high-level engineers to build up a core team with the concept of sustainable innovation and high execution, together constructing a provincial technology center with R&D personnel accounting for 16% of total numbers of the company. And R&D investment shares more than 4% of the total operating revenue. The outstanding R&D strength empowers KDT's development. KDT also pays attention to lay out the manufacture of its key components such as structural parts, transmission parts, etc., so as to extend and integrate industry chain which offers a competitive advantage among the world. With introduction of heavy-duty machining center and fully automatic metal sheet production line from overseas, KDT realizes modular production for large structural parts and metal sheet cover in product front end. With independent development in high-precision key components in line of reducer, C-axis and drill units as well as application software, KDT completes its supply system, quickly responding to the market demands. KDT constructs a manufacture management led by Korean senior experts, strictly managing and controlling the product quality with lean and care. With information system integration, KDT integrates industrial automation and informatization in its manufacture, which improves production capacity as well as shorten the lead time. Market and customer-oriented. KDT has casted brands of KDT, Woodmax, and Masterwood, and builds up more than 100 outstanding distributors among the world. With its strong sales distribution networks, excellent technologies, professional service team, and its training system, the company continues to provide quality products for the sustainable growing furniture industry. With the pursuit to service our customer every need and to exceed their highest expectations in helping them realize their goals, KDT truly partners with our customers, agents, and employees around the world for success.